Test mic. What's up, guys? Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are now going to move on to detailing. Okay, so actually, we did some detailing already a while ago on our last video, which is when we created our 3D riser. So this time around, we are going to work with sections. So we will be creating section to create a detailed view of our design. All right, so let's get started. So to create a section, you can find it here on your quick access toolbar, or since section has something to do with view, you can also go to your view tab and then you can get there the section. But like what I've said, it's already here on the view quick access toolbar. All right, so I'll just select quick access toolbar. So let's say, for example, I want to add some details to this section here, to this portion here. Okay, so I'm going to create a section because I want to create a detail view for that. So just like that. And then I'm going to flip that to the other side, looking to the left side. And then I'll just adjust here the far clip offset. So I'll just make it 1 so that it will get close. And then from here, I'll just adjust like this. All right, now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to open the section. I'm going to click that, right click, and then go to view. Or another way, you just double click the head here. Just double click and then you can now see here the section. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change here the detail level. Okay, so I'm going to change that to fine. And then I want to change the color here of my accessory. Okay, so as well as the pipe here. So I want to change this color. So I want to change the color to black. So instead of blue, so I'm going to select my elements like that. And then I'm going to right click. And then there's an option here, override graphics in view. So I'll select here by element. So I select that one. And then for the projection line, I'm going to change the color to black, and then I'm going to change the pattern. So I'm just going to use solid line here. Okay, just like that, and then I'll just select here OK, and then I'll just click outside, and there you go. Now I need to turn off the thin lines here so that I can see the line weight. Okay, so see the line weight, and it doesn't look good with the thin lines turned off, so I'm just going to turn it on. And then let me just change the scale here. So let's say I'm going to use 3/4 inch equals 1 foot. So I click that one just to change the scale. And then probably I can change also here the detail. Okay, alright, so I'll just need to hide this side here. I only want this portion here. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is to add some detail, like for example, I want to add a dimension. Okay, so I want to have the dimension from the middle or the center of the accessory to the level here. Or let's say, for example, to the ceiling. Okay, so I'm going to select the align dimension, and then I'm going to select the center. Yeah, that one. All right. How about I change this to center of core? Can I snap? No. So I'll just use wall center line. So I'll just click this. There you go. And then I'm going to click this. There you go. All right. So you'll be able to see now here the scale. The dimension. Okay. So let me just change this. Let's say 1/2 of an inch. Let me try this. There you go. And then after that, I'm going to put now the annotations. I'm going to put some annotation, like for example, I'm going to put a tag here for this wet pipe. So if I select this one, this is actually a wet system. So I want to include that information when they look to their detail view. So I'm going to put a tag there, tag by category, and then I'm gonna select this pipe. There you go. And I'll just select here modify. Okay, and I don't like it this way, so probably I'll just put a tag again. So tag by category, I'm going to make it free end. Okay, and then I'm going to pick here, and then I'm going to pick another point here, another point here. There you go. So there's the wet, so I'll just delete this one. I'm just going to pick like this. And there you go. So that's now my wet pipe. And then I also want to include the size of this pipe. So I'm going to select the tag, and then I'm going to select tags, loaded tags. So I'm going to look for the pipe, and then let me change that with pipe size tag. So I click that one, and then I select here OK, and then I'll just tag this one. Okay, without a leader. So I'll just pick just like that. So that's the size of the pipe. And then I'm going to put an annotation here to this ceiling. So I'm going to select text again, and I'm going to use two segments for this. Let's click one point, click another point, and click this one. So this will gonna be the others ceiling, okay, or the architect ceiling. Now, let me just go check the size of this one, which is 3/32 inch aerial. So I'm going to adjust this as well. So I select this, click the drop down arrow, and then select 3/32 inch aerial as well, just like that. And I want to edit the arrowhead here. I want this to be solid, so I'm going to select edit type here, and then I go to the leader arrowhead and then look for the arrow field 15 degree, select OK, and there you go. All right. And what else? I can also put an information here. So this is our backflow preventer. So you can also add a text there. So I click this one, and then same leader, two segments. So I'm going to pick one here. Oh, probably I'll just do it here below. Okay, so this is our backflow preventer. Okay, and then select, change the type, 3/32. Let's move this to tidy up, and just like that. Okay, so I want to align that somewhere to the wet. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then of course you can also rename this because the name here is section 1. So I can change the name of this, like for example, uh, backflow backflow preventer detail, something like that. Okay, and then I'll just select here apply. Right. Okay, so when you go to the sheets here, like I create a new sheet, and then I use this title block. Okay, so I'll just need to drag that mechanical section here. This one, I'll just drag that inside, and there you have it. Okay, so I now have that detail here. Of course, the reason why there's a question mark here, it's because I haven't applied here the view template. So I can just right click that, apply template properties. I can select here. Okay, probably I'll just use, or instead of doing view template, I'll just need to change here the sub-disciplines. Okay, so check that one. So the sub-discipline, I put it on the sprinkler, so that it will go to the sprinkler, right? So it's now under the sprinkler. Okay, so there you have it. So basically, that's how you create your section to add, to create a detailed view for a particular part of your design, and that's how you do it. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.